You have been chasing the six pack and your core is still soft and weak. And here is the truth, most ab exercises don't actually train your core the way they're supposed to. Today I'm going to show you 5 different exercises that actually build a stronger functional core, the kind that helps you move better, lift more weight and also look better too. So here are 2 categories, the starter and also the best exercises. These 2 different categories have a difference between difficulty level of where you want to start. How serious you want to go about your ab training, just choose your category. Our first exercise is the plank. Forget just holding for a long period of time, this is about tension. Having your elbows under your shoulders, your glutes are squeezed and your quads are flexed. Pull your elbows towards your toes without moving and you're creating the full body tension. This is how your core is activated. It is a great exercise if you're just starting out, but I think there's some better ones out there to build your core, and the next one is going to be the L-sit. This is mainly about strength and control, and it separates a lot of the weak from the strong because this is quite a difficult one, definitely compared to the plank. Put your hands on the floor or use parallettes or maybe even dumbbells. You put your legs straight out in front of you with your toes pointed and everything is shaking. And this is a good reaction because this is how you learn to control your body under this tension. This isn't easy, but over time you can make progress very quickly, from your core being tense to you bending your legs to start off with and then slowly straightening them over the next coming weeks or months. You're going to make a lot of progress, and this is a great foundation to start with. Our third exercise is going to be the ab wheel rollout. This position starts with you on your knees and you roll out as far as you can without breaking your form. Do not let your lower back dip or you've gone too far, and this movement teaches your core to resist the overextension, and this is exactly what it's meant to do. Not easy, but with practice it is a game changer. Now we're in the category of the best exercises for your abs, and these are the 2 that I do at least twice a week to build my core, and it does help out a lot. Hanging leg raises. This is definitely a challenging exercise because it uses your body weight as the exercise, and your primary target is the abdominal muscles and also the hip flexors that are also involved to pull up your legs of when you're lifting. Either you can do straight legs or bend at the knees towards your chest. A great exercise is known for the ability to build a core strength and improve grip strength from hanging from the bar. This also helps with your lower ab development, which I think is probably the most important and less visible muscle within the midsection. Our last exercise is going to be a cable crunch. This exercise involves you kneeling in front of the cable machine, gripping the rope attachment or whatever attachment you have and pulling it towards you and down towards the floor, contracting your abs. Very similar to a normal crunch, but this has the added resistance of the cable machine and also very good for progressive overloading in the near future. The mistake that people make is where they don't round their back while performing this exercise. Make sure you round your spine so you can get that activation in your core. These exercises are great, but there's a bit of a twist. You don't even need to dedicate a core workout if you understand this. Every movement you make is going to be activating your core. So the next time you do push-ups, brace your abs, or even if you're doing squats, make sure you squeeze your abs tightly. Even walking, just try and tense them like I'm doing now whilst recording this video. You can feel that there's tension there. So over time, doing this in various different situations, you will start just training your abs on the spot without even thinking about it. Pretty much just think of your abs like a weight belt. This is going to stabilize everything within your body. So training it can help, but also doing a normal day-to-day activities and just thinking about that contraction can also help 10 times better. This is definitely far better than doing crunches on a yoga mat all the time. If this is how to build a strong core, not just a six-pack that you can reveal in the future, but one that can help you with day-to-day movement and also build your strength within the gym. These are simple ways to make you athletic and not just aesthetic. So we're just going to skip all the fluff and try and train as smart as we can by learning what to do properly. And I'm sure if you're watching this video, you know that if you cannot see your abs, that means you're covered by a layer of body fat and you need to remove the body fat by being in a calorie deficit if needed. I'm sure that this can be a topic that I can make a video on in the near future, so please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.